So today I want to talk a little bit about intermittent fasting and ancient wisdom and bridging the two. Many people have practiced intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, as many of you know, is when you're spreading out the time when you're not eating, which gives the body a chance to perform so many functions in supporting the immune system, supporting detoxification, and supporting a fat burn, because the body will focus on its own fat as stored energy to create energy. So one of the reasons why intermittent fasting doesn't work is because people have not been following the natural cycles of light and timing. There's something called chronobiology. There's also called the Ayurvedic clock, or the Chinese clock, where it acknowledges that different organs are empowered at different times of the day. So, for example, the liver is empowered between 1 and 3 in the morning. When we've eaten a late meal, that means the liver can't do all the functions that it's designed to do when the body's in a fasting state. If you've eaten at 11 o'clock at night, then that means the liver is dealing with breaking down those nutrients, toxins, whatever, late into the night, rather than going deep into the body, purifying the blood, going after fat for energy at that time. So intermittent fasting works much better when we eat our last meal at least 3 hours before bed, ideally eating around 5 or 6 o'clock at night, and then extending the time till the morning when you have breakfast. So that's going to give us 12 to 15 hours right there. And that works so much better. In fact, I love when this happens, there's been a study with about 7,000 people, and they found that those people that ate their last meal quite early and they had their first meal at breakfast, and guess what? Between 7 and 9 in the morning, the stomach is empowered. Between 11 and 1, the heart, and then 1 and 3 is the small intestine. So the organs are meant to be digesting food at specific times of the day. So Ayurveda says to eat your breakfast like a prince, your lunch like a king, and your dinner like a pauper. Okay? So when we do intermittent fasting in that format and eating at least 3 hours before bed, then your intermittent fasting is going to be much more effective for your immune system, for your energy, for your weight loss, and your detoxification. All right, have a great day. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and join us for the next Total Life Cleanse, and we'll be talking about all of this in great detail May 17th. Have a great day.